If you are learning AutoCAD and you don't know these 7 commands, you are making it harder for yourself. Let me show you the most important ones. This is our drawing area. So now we want to know the first command is line. It allows us to draw straight line. So let's click on line, and then we come to the drawing area. We draw our line like this. The second one is circle. This circle allows us to draw circular shape and having round things like jump, like figure. This is circle. The third one is rectangle. This one, it allows us to draw a rectangular shape quickly like this. I can click on it and then come to the drawing area and click. The fourth one now is to move object. I click on the object and select the object and click on move, and now I can move the object from a place to another. The fifth one is to copy an object. I want to copy, for example, this object. I select it first, and then I come to copy command. I click on copy, and then I come back to my object that I want to copy, and I move it to the place that I want to copy like this. So the sixth one is to trim. Trim is to cut unwanted parts. This command allows us to cut unwanted parts. For example, this line, I want to cut this line, so I want to remove it. I click on trim and then come back to the line that I want to remove like this. All lines like this, everything I want to move. So this is trim. The last one is offset. Offset is allowing us to just having a parallel shape to the drawn shape that we already drawn like this. I want to have a parallel outside, so this is outside. Use shortcut like L for line, C for circle. This will make you much faster. Follow for more AutoCAD and civil engineering tips.